In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Airtable to Excel. We'll walk through the whole process together, step by step, so that by the end, you'll be able to take data from your Airtable base and work with it comfortably in Excel or any other spreadsheet tool. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can see the list of workspaces and bases you have access to. The dashboard is that main home screen in Airtable where all of your bases are displayed as cards or tiles. Take a moment to locate the base that contains the data you want to export. Next, click on the base you'd like to export to Excel. This opens the base and shows you its tables. Remember that a base can have multiple tables, like sheets in a spreadsheet, and each one of those can be exported separately. So start with the first table you want to move into Excel. Once the base is open, make sure you're in a grid view. Grid view is the classic spreadsheet style layout where your data is arranged in rows and columns. If you're currently looking at a different view, like a calendar or gallery, switch back by clicking on the view drop down in the top left area and selecting the grid view option. Exporting works best from this layout because it's designed to translate cleanly into a CSV file. Now, with the grid view active, look for the option to download your data as a CSV file. This is usually under the View menu or a drop-down near the view name. Click on Download CSV. Airtable will generate a CSV file for the table you're viewing, and your browser will either download it automatically or ask where you'd like to save it. Choose a location that's easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated folder for exports. After the file has finished downloading, you can open Excel and then open the CSV file directly. Excel will recognize it and lay out the data in cells, similar to how it appeared in Airtable. Finally, repeat the same process for every table in your base that you want to export. Open the table, switch to its grid view if needed, click Download CSV and save the file. Doing this for each table ensures you have a